tonight, as darkness wraps the earth and silence fills the air, let your heart rest in the truth that you are seen, known, and deeply loved by God. Every tear you cried this week, every question you whispered when no one was listening, every moment you felt invisible, He saw it all. Nothing escapes His notice. The same hands that place the stars above are holding your life together, even when you feel like it's falling apart. Maybe tonight you lie awake, thinking about what could have been, what went wrong, what you lost along the way. Maybe the noise in your mind is louder than the quiet outside your window. But in this stillness, God is closer than your thoughts, nearer than your breath. He's not far away in some unreachable heaven. He's right here, sitting beside your pain, breathing peace into your storm, whispering, "Be still, I am working." You don't have to understand how. Faith is not about control. It's about trust. Trust that the same God who brought you through yesterday will guide you through tomorrow. Sometimes He hides the next step to strengthen your faith in the present one. You don't need the full map when you have the one who knows the way. The waiting, the silence, the unanswered prayers, they're not signs of His absence, but tools of His preparation. God delays not to deny you, but to develop you. What feels like a pause is often a setup for a greater purpose. You think you're stuck, but heaven is aligning people, places, and timing for your breakthrough. The story isn't over. The night isn't final. The page you're on right now may feel heavy, but the author is still writing. Maybe your faith feels small tonight, but even mustard seed faith moves mountains when placed in the right hands. Don't measure God's goodness by what you see. Measure it by what He's already done. The cross is proof that He never gives up on you. Every scar you carry, every regret you hold, He can redeem them. What you thought would destroy you is becoming the soil where your purpose will grow. Sometimes God has to break what is shallow to rebuild what is deep. Sometimes He removes people not to punish you, but to protect you from what would poison your peace. Sometimes He lets doors close because your destiny doesn't live there anymore. The same God who shut the lion's mouth in Daniel's den can silence the voices of fear that keep you awake at night. The same God who parted the sea for Moses can make a way through the chaos you are facing now. You don't have to see the miracle to believe in it. Faith walks before sight. So even if all you have tonight is a whisper of hope, hold it close. That whisper is enough to move heaven. Let your tears become prayers, your silence become surrender. God hears what words cannot say. He knows the weight you carry, the loneliness that lingers after the world goes to sleep. But He also knows the strength He placed within you, the resilience that keeps rising even when the world says, "You redone." Every season of waiting has an expiration date. Every valley has an exit. Every night gives way to morning. You will not stay here forever. The pain that shaped you will one day become the testimony that strengthens others. God wastes nothing, not your past, not your mistakes, not your time. He is weaving it all into a masterpiece that you can't yet see. So tonight, breathe. Release what you can't control. Forgive what hurt you. Bless what left you. And remember that peace is not found in answers, but in presence. The presence of a God who still calls you by name when everyone else forgets you. He doesn't need perfection to work. He only needs permission. If you give Him your brokenness, He will turn it into beauty. If you give Him your fear, He will turn it into faith. If you give Him your exhaustion, He will turn it into strength. You are not behind, you are being refined. You are not forgotten, you are being prepared. Heaven has not gone silent. It's strategizing on your behalf. Every delay is divine timing. Every detour is protection. Every disappointment is redirection. One day, you'll look back on this night and realize that what you thought was the end was really the beginning. But for now, let grace carry you, let peace guard you, let hope rise again. God is not done with you, He's just getting started. The same light that broke through the tomb will break through your darkness. The same voice that calmed the sea is speaking to your storm. The same Spirit that raised Jesus from the dead lives inside you, breathing courage into your fear. You are not powerless. You are chosen, covered, sustained. When you wake tomorrow, the sun will rise again, not because the world deserves it, but because mercy renews itself. So sleep knowing that you are loved beyond measure, guided beyond logic, protected beyond sight. God is already in your tomorrow, arranging miracles you haven't prayed for yet. Rest in that truth. Rest in His presence. Rest knowing that what's coming will make sense of what hurt. The night is not the end. It's the womb of a new beginning. And as the night deepens, remember this truth. Nothing about your story is wasted in God's hands. Every delay has purpose. Every detour holds meaning. Every heartbreak carries seeds of transformation. The valley you walk through tonight will one day be the view from the mountain you climb. You may not see it now, but faith doesn't need sight. It needs surrender. When you choose to trust, even when it hurts, heaven takes notice. The angels stand guard when you pray through tears. The same God who spoke light into darkness is speaking life into your situation right now. You are not forgotten. You are engraved on His palms. You are not abandoned. You are being shaped for something eternal. So don't rush the process. Don't despise the waiting. What God is preparing will require the strength you're building tonight. There's beauty in what breaks you, because broken things let His light shine through. There's purpose in what pauses you, because stillness makes room for His voice. The world teaches you to move fast, to fix, to fight. But God teaches you to rest, to trust, to let Him lead. Let His presence become your home. Let His promises become your pillow. Sleep in peace, knowing that what S meant for you will never need to be forced. It will find you in due time. The dawn is coming, and with it new mercy. Every night you survive is a prophecy of victory. Heaven has already declared your tomorrow, and it ends in light, not darkness. As the night stretches on, and the stars twinkle above, let your heart know that God's timing is always perfect, even when it feels like everything is moving slower than you expected. We are often taught to expect instant results, but God's work in our lives doesn't operate on the world's timeline. His ways are higher, His thoughts are deeper, and He is working in the quiet places where no one else sees. The journey that feels long today is preparing you for a destiny that will last for eternity. And though you may feel uncertain about the steps ahead, take comfort in knowing that God's promises are unshakable. The same hands that formed you in your mother's womb are guiding you through this night, and He will not leave you now. When the world tells you to hurry, God calls you to pause. When the world tells you to take control, He asks you to release. When the world tells you that waiting is wasted time, God teaches you that waiting is where He builds the strongest roots in your heart. The strength you need for tomorrow is being cultivated in the quiet moments of today. You might feel like nothing is happening, but trust that behind the scenes, God is orchestrating every detail of your life. The person you are becoming is not defined by what you've lost, but by what you're learning through the waiting. Your story is not over, and every chapter that feels difficult is a chapter that will one day point to God's faithfulness. You may not understand it today, but you will one day look back and see how every moment of waiting. So as you rest tonight, remember that the process you're going through is not punishment, it's preparation. God is shaping you into the person He created you to be. Don't let the weight of the present cloud the vision of your future. The best is yet to come. Before you close your eyes tonight, take a moment to reflect. If this prayer touched your heart, write Amen in the comments and share your request so others can pray with you. You never know who might need your words of faith. Subscribe to join this growing family of believers who pray together every night, trusting that God still moves in silence, still heals in secret, and still fulfills His promises in His perfect time. Let's keep the light of faith burning, one prayer, one comment, one heart at a time.